Hello, Neven. Happy birthday. Digdi na lang kami ma-celebrate kan birthday mo. Kaya ma-blow kami ng candles para sa imo, para sa birthday mo ng 80th birthday mo. Many more birthday to come.
Hi Manny Ben! Andito kami ngayon sa Hobart with Dawn and Cherry Princess. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come, and we wish you a very happy birthday and a good health and more birthdays to come. We love you, Manny Ben.
Uncle Ben, happy birthday. You got your cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Uncle Ben. Well, since wala si Uncle Ben dito, Daddy, ikaw na lang mag-blow.
Okay. Ito na,
Wish.
blow na ang candle para sa imo.
Para sa imo. Okay, blow. Yay!
Yay!
Happy birthday, Manny Ben.
Happy birthday.
We love you, Manny Ben.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ben.
Hindi kami complete kasi